We'll guide you through how to extract pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a PDF file. And so you want to go and extract a page or multiple pages. We're going to guide you through doing this with Adobe Acrobat. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. So this is really convenient to be able to do, as perhaps you only need to go and have one and you want to go and submit it for something, or there's another reason why you want to do this. We're going to guide you through it step by step. It's important to note you do need to go and have the pro version of Adobe Acrobat in order to go and access this, which is paid. So make sure you go and subscribe to it to have this feature, or you may already have it. So have the PDF opened, and then what you need to do is you come to the top left of Adobe Acrobat and you go and press edit like so. Then what you need to do is you come down into this top section which says modify page, and you can go and press organize pages. Now you can go and see the different pages here. So you can see I've got 4, you may have more or you may have less, it doesn't matter. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and select the page or pages that you wish to go and extract. So as I said, you could do it with multiple. And what you could do is you can go and extract multiple. So I could select 2 by clicking, holding and dragging. And either I could go and put these 2 into one PDF. So we extract 2 from this 4 into one PDF, or I could go and extract them into their own PDF. So I could make 2 from these 2 selected ones. It's going to be up to you. We're going to guide you through this. So select the PDFs you want to do it with, whether it's one or multiple. Then what you can do is come into page options. You've got these 4 options here, and you need to come to the option over to the far right, and it'll go and say extract, and you want to go and click there. Now, what you can do is you can choose if you want them to go and be deleted. I don't want that. And you can choose if you want to go and have them extracted as separate files. If I have that selected, this means these 2 are going to create 2 PDF files. If that's unselected, they'll go and create 1. Then you can go and press extract. So you get the idea. Let's say you just want to do 1 though. You can have it selected and then press extract. Of course, that won't make any difference because there's only 1. And then you can go and press extract, and then it's gone and extracted it. As you can see, we only have the 1 page here. We've extracted it from this main 4. Then what we can do is go and press Control and S. And what you can do is we can go and save it. I'll just go and click on my desktop, and then I'll go and press save, and then it'll go and be saved. So then I can come and close out of this. I'll just go and close all the tabs. And as you can see here, it then is there. I can double click on it. It's going to open, and it's just the one. We've successfully gone and extracted it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye for now.